Hey everyone, we're about to explore something truly incredible, the ultimate secret to attracting both love and success. It sounds like a big deal, and it is. Stay tuned, because what you're about to learn can change your life. Now, if you're watching this, there's a good chance you've felt some bumps in the road in your love life. Maybe you've had relationships that just didn't work out, or perhaps you feel a bit lonely. Even if you're with someone right now, maybe things just don't feel quite right. It's like there's something missing, isn't it? And what about your career? Are you really happy with your job? Do you ever find yourself daydreaming about something different, something that you truly enjoy doing? Do you feel stuck, like you'll never find work that truly excites you? The truth is, these struggles in love and work often have a common cause. It's the feeling that you're not quite being your true self. It's like trying to force a square block into a round hole. It just doesn't fit, no matter how hard you try. When you're not living in a way that's true to who you are, you might end up in relationships that leave you feeling drained, or jobs that feel meaningless. It's like constantly swimming against the current, trying to make things work when they just don't fit. But what if there's a better way? What if there's a powerful secret within you that could completely change your love life and your career? That's where alignment comes in. Alignment means getting your thoughts, feelings, actions, and values all working together in harmony. It's about living a life that truly reflects who you are deep down. So, what exactly is this alignment we're talking about? In simple terms, it's about getting everything in sync: your thoughts, your feelings, the things you do, and what you believe in. Imagine a compass that always points you in the right direction, towards your true north. That's what alignment does for you. When you're aligned, you'll start noticing amazing things happening. You'll feel a sense of peace within yourself, like you're finally on the right track. Your relationships will become stronger and more meaningful because you'll be attracting people who truly understand and appreciate you. And guess what? Your career will start to feel exciting again. You'll find work that doesn't just pay the bills, but also gives you a sense of purpose. Now, you might be wondering, how do I find this alignment? It all starts with getting to know your true self, the real you. It's about digging deep and discovering what you're truly passionate about. What gets you excited? What are your values? What makes you feel truly happy? It's not always easy to answer these questions. Sometimes we're afraid to be honest with ourselves because we fear judgment or change. But here's the secret: the more you accept your true self, the more love and success you'll attract into your life. It's time to let go of the fear of being different and celebrate what makes you unique. When you do that, you'll open up a world of possibilities, and you'll start attracting the right people and opportunities into your life. So, are you ready to start on this exciting journey of self-discovery and alignment? Let's dive deeper and uncover the steps you can take to create a life that's truly fulfilling in both love and career. Now, let's explore how alignment can transform your love life. When you're living authentically, you naturally attract people who are compatible with your true self. Think about it. Wouldn't you rather have a partner who loves you for who you really are, instead of someone who wants you to be someone you're not? Alignment allows you to show up in relationships as your genuine self, which creates the foundation for deep connection, trust, and love. When you're not pretending to be someone you're not, you can be truly vulnerable and open with your partner. This vulnerability allows you to create a bond that's built on honesty and authenticity, which are essential ingredients for a healthy and lasting relationship. And what if you're already in a relationship? Alignment can work wonders there too. By bringing more authenticity into your existing partnership, you can deepen your connection and rediscover the spark that might have dimmed over time. Communicating your true feelings and needs and encouraging your partner to do the same can create a new level of intimacy and understanding. Now, let's talk about how alignment can lead to success in your career. When you're aligned with your true self, you're more likely to choose a career path that truly resonates with you. This means you'll be doing work that feels meaningful and fulfilling, rather than just a job to pay the bills. This isn't just about finding a job you like. It's about finding work that aligns with your passions, your values, and your strengths. When you're doing work that feels like a natural extension of who you are, you'll be more motivated, creative, and productive. You'll find yourself overcoming obstacles with greater ease because you'll be driven by a deep sense of purpose. And let's face it, achieving your goals is much easier when you're doing something you love. Alignment gives you the clarity to see what you truly want and the energy to go after it with passion and determination. So how do we actually achieve this alignment we've been talking about? It's not about making drastic changes overnight. Instead, it's about incorporating small daily practices into your life that can have a big impact over time. One of the most powerful things you can do is to set aside a few minutes each day for self-reflection. This could be through journaling, meditation, or simply spending some quiet time alone with your thoughts. This gives you the space to check in with yourself, to see how you're feeling, and to connect with your inner wisdom. Another crucial step is setting boundaries. It's about learning to say no to things that don't serve you, that don't align with your values. This can be tough at first, but it's incredibly empowering. When you set clear boundaries, you protect your energy and create space for the things that truly matter. It's important to remember that the journey towards alignment isn't always smooth sailing. You might experience setbacks, doubts, or even criticism from others. That's perfectly normal. Everyone faces challenges along the way. The key is to not let those challenges derail you. When you hit a roadblock, take a deep breath and remember your why. Why did you start this journey in the first place? What are you hoping to achieve? Reconnect with your purpose and let it fuel your determination. Another helpful tip is to practice self-compassion. We all make mistakes, and it's okay to not be perfect. Be kind to yourself, and don't beat yourself up if you slip up. Remember, this is a journey, not a race. It's about progress, not perfection. And most importantly, don't give up. The path to alignment might have its twists and turns, but the rewards are worth it. Keep moving forward one step at a time and trust that you're on the right track. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to take action. Start today by asking yourself those important questions. What are my passions? What are my values? What makes me truly happy? These questions are your compass, guiding you towards your true north. Don't be afraid to experiment and explore. Try new things, step outside your comfort zone, and see what sparks joy within you. Listen to your intuition. It's your inner guide, always pointing you in the right direction. Remember, this is your life, your story. You have the power to create a life that's filled with love, success, and deep fulfillment. It all starts with aligning with your true self. So take that first step today and watch as your life transforms in ways you never thought possible. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Hit the notification bell to be notified whenever we release a new video. Let's continue this journey together.